That restaurant-style salmon that's perfectly seasoned with a lightly golden crust, you can make it at home in less than 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the tips. Start by patting the fillets dry with a paper towel. Dry salmon will encourage a better sear and it will reduce splatter. Season the fish all over with salt and pepper, and then heat the oil in a 12-inch non-stick or well-seasoned cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until very hot. Gently lay the salmon in the pan, top side down. Skin or no skin is fine. Cook without moving until the flesh side is golden brown, about 4 minutes. Carefully flip and continue to cook until the fish is cooked to your level of doneness. This could be about 4 minutes for farmed salmon, a little bit less for leaner wild salmon. Promptly remove the salmon to a plate to reduce carryover cooking. This salmon is truly restaurant worthy. It makes a meal out of any salad and is a great addition to something as simple as these lentils.